Hello, this is Srinivas Vaddi, CEO of ASIP Technologies. Thanks for visiting us. We are excited to announce that we are starting an OSAT ATMP facility in India. The purpose of this facility is to take finished wafers and check them out, make sure they are good, assemble them into specific packages for various customers and ship them all over the world. The industries that we'll be helping would be automobile manufacturers, desktop, laptop computing companies, mobile communication devices, and also high-performance computing devices that are going to be the future of the world. In addition, we will also support radio frequency communications, satellite communications, and in future, some biological applications also. Our goal is to set up both an R&D facility and a production facility in this premises. We believe that there is significant growth in semiconductors and the world will see many more amazing devices and they need a factory like ours to support them into the next decade. Please join us in helping us realize our goal and our dream, and we need your support to make this happen. Again, thank you for coming.